Okay, so we got this little camp stove in here, and I was intrigued by it because I liked the way that this particular one had the wide base on it, which means it's not going to turn over real easy, versus, you know, some of these other ones like, you know, like these and stuff, that they just have a tendency of tipping over. However, this one right here has multiple options that you can use with it. The first one is you can actually hook up one of these small little propane canisters, the little small ones that are about this tall. They're threaded to actually go into this, and then you've got this adapter right here, and this particular adapter is actually designed for the disposable propane cans, you know, the red and white ones. And then you've got this one here. This one is designed for the green ones. I keep a bunch of these around because I have the refill systems here at my house. So I actually, when I use these, I refill them and they're usable again. These aren't disposable. Most people think they are. You can refill them. So I use these. So we're going to actually test this out. I've got a cup of water right here. This is a test that I haven't seen anybody do yet, where I want to actually time it and see how long it takes to bring some water to boil. We are going to be boiling it in one of these little camp pots right here. Now, because of the way this thing is designed with these wide base and this section right here, you're going to have to use a bigger pot for doing that, because this one fits on there just right. However, the other piece that I have to this set doesn't quite fit on it, so I've got another set of camp little pots and stuff that I'll be using when I take this out. However, this one will work. So first things first, let's go ahead and hook up the gas line. Let's get this guy going. Okay, make sure we're off. There we go. Now, this particular unit right here does have a little striker down here on the bottom, as you can see it right there. So what I'm going to do, and get this out of the way real quick, and move this so you can see this. We're going to turn on the gas, and we'll strike it. And it lit right off the bat. All three are lit. That's actually pretty cool. That's quite a bit of heat coming off of that. You see it right there. All right, so I'm gonna turn this down a little bit, and we're gonna take our phone and we're gonna pull up a timer. We're gonna put a little water in this. And this is approximately 1 cup of water. And we're gonna set this on here. Crank up the heat and hit start. All right, guys, we're 1 minute and stop. We are 1 minute and 25 seconds in, and as you can see, we got a rolling boil. We had a rolling boil. 1 minute and 25 seconds. That's impressive. All right, guys. Yeah, it even comes with this nice little case so you can carry it, put it in your backpack or your camping gear, and you're good to go with that. Use refillable bottles, use the small disposable ones. You can do whatever you want to with it. So there you go. Now you are going to need to let this cool off before you start trying to pack it up, because that thing is putting off so much heat. It has traveled through the metal, but it does have these little rubber grommets on the feet to prevent the hot metal from damaging your surfaces. So just remember that. Don't reach down there and try to grab this thing immediately and go, I'm going to pack it up, because it's going to burn.